And today we got a new build. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be building inside the InWin A3 chassis. Now this was sent over by InWin, so much appreciated to the good folks over there for sending this case over for review. And I thought to myself, what better way to review a case than to actually build in it? So that's what we're gonna do today. Now they do also have two different color options, including the one I have here. This is a white edition. They also do have a black edition. So if you want something darker, more stealthier, well, InWin has got you covered. Now as far as this case goes, it's very minimalistic, small form factor. I think it's perfect for people that want a smaller build, and this will get you covered and get you going the best way possible. Now as far as the components go, I have all the components here that are going to be going inside this PC, and as you can tell, they're all white because we're trying to stick to the theme. So I'm going to go over briefly over what's going to be packing inside this PC. We'll start off with the motherboard. This is MSI's MPG Z790i Edge Wi-Fi motherboard. We'll be pairing that with the 13700K 13th gen Intel CPU. For the graphics card, we got the Gigabyte Aero 4070 Ti. I'm just loving this graphics card. I think this is the best 4070 Ti that I was able to get because of the white body, the brushed aluminum fans. I think it's just gonna match the whole build perfectly. And as far as the cooler, we got the NZXT 240mm Kraken Z63 RGB AIO. This is in white, so don't let the box art fool you. I just thought I'd let you guys know that the AIO is in white. As far as the power supply goes, this is from InWin, the P-Series 850 watt gold rated fully modular power supply. So much appreciate to InWin for sending that over. And also we got the InWin Series Pure fans, 120mm, which we're gonna be replacing the stock fans on the NZXT cooler with these, and also adding some case fans inside the A3. As far as memory goes, 32GB, 5600 megahertz speed, Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB Memory 6 DDR5. We're going to be placing that inside the PC as well. And as far as storage goes, the Kingston Fury Renegade, 1TB capacity, 7300 megabyte read speeds. I'm very curious to see how fast the PC is going to boot with this kind of storage inside. So now that you guys know exactly what's going to be going inside the PC, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to build the PC. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, the PC is finally built and it looks beautiful, if I don't say so myself. Absolutely love this size of a case. If you're looking for something that's not going to take too much space, well, the A3 could be it. Now keep in mind that the graphics card length, if you're going to put a regular size ATX in here, has to be no greater than 340 millimeters. And also, if you're gonna have something over than 340 millimeters, then the power supply in length has to be shorter. So that way you can fit your graphics card. But with the 4070 Ti, I had no issues. This is a Gigabyte Aero. It was around 335 millimeters. So it went in just easy. Open, well, just keep in mind also, open this up right here, take this out so you can have an easier time putting the graphics card in. I didn't have any issues, but this case was just a breeze to build in. Also, another cool thing about this case is when it comes to cable routing and cable management, well, they thought about you, because there's a lot of space in here where even if you don't want to route your cables and just tuck everything and just say forget it and close it up and start using the PC, you can do so. And they give you a lot of tie down points where you can just easily route your cables and do some clean cable management. Overall, this case was a blast to build in. Again, I really enjoy these type of small cases because they're really portable, and you know, you can just see the potential of packing some high-end stuff in here in such a small little home. So if you guys are looking to get something like this, definitely check out the InWin A3 chassis. Again, they have this in white, which is right here, and they also have it in black. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Toss a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and until next time guys, I will catch you on the next one.